art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a stitch. So first we're going to get started with the side of the face of where the eyes go. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to line that up at the same height on the right hand side and replicate that, just ending that at the same height. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a slight curved line, bringing this all the way over and then up on the right. Now let's draw on the hair on the top. So we're going to curve this line over and then out. From that corner, we're going to bring this line back up and then down. And then again, just straight up and then over. On the left-hand side, we're going to close the top of the head off, arching this line down. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the right. Now in the center for our nose, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that down on the right. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another curved line, bringing that over and up. For the nostrils, we're going to arch this line out on both sides. On the top, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then moving up again, just replicating that, making it slightly smaller. Now from here on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up. And then we're going to do the same as we move over on the left. Now as we come back in towards the top, we're just going to curve this line over and down. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the left. Now for our eye, for the pupil in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move over on the left. On the top now, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. Now let's draw in our mouth. So as we come over on the left, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that up. We'll do the same thing on the right. In the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and then in towards the middle. And then again on the right, we're going to replicate that, bringing that line over. In the center, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then on both sides, we're just going to curve this line down. Now from here, let's draw on our ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and across. Let's do the same thing on the left. On the right-hand side, we're going to start back on this line, curving this line around and then in. And then on the left, we're just going to arch this line over. Now from this point, we're going to draw in a sideways triangle. And then now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the side. From the center now, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. We'll replicate that on the left. And then now from here on the bottom in the corner, we're going to curve this line over. Now let's draw on the arms. So coming down on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then in. In the center, we're going to arch this line back over. And then again, one more time for the pinky, just curving this line around and then in. From that inside portion now, closing off the hand, curving this line back up. And now connecting this in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line. And then on both sides, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes out. Closing off the body, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to arch this line out on both sides. And then on the top, bringing this line in towards the chin. And then for the hair in the middle, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. Above that, curving this around and then in. And then one more time, bringing that up. And that is it. That's how you draw a stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.